को देश भर में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना होता है। मैं यहाँ आने से पहले सिविल एविएशन मंत्री से बात किया है, वो सरकार का तरफ से भी पहल कर रहा है कि प्राइवेट एयरलाइंस में जो टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम जो है डिटेल, मैंने सिविल एविएशन मंत्री जी को कहा है कि आप तैयारी कीजिए, क्योंकि मेंबर्स कंसर्न यहाँ उठाएंगे तो यहाँ भी बताना होगा और देशवासियों को भी जानकारी होना चाहिए।
Right. So what is your point?
Sir, my point of order, sir, is 258, and also a comment on the observation on what the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, sir, you were at the BAC. 2 items were listed for short duration discussion. You were there, sir, under your guidance. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister were also there, and we were also there. There were 2 items listed. He has read out one of the 2 items and time allocated for 2 discussions next week. One has been read out. This is what I heard. Unless he hasn't read out the second one, which is a discussion on electoral reform. So when we were at the BSc under your guidance, sir, 1 minute. Let me complete, then we can say. So that was one issue. Since you were at the BSc, electoral reform, SIR, whatever, we wanted to discuss next week. So number 2, sir, and I just want to make the point of 258, sir. 258, sir, is a right of every member of this House. When a member stands up and says point of order, sir, for 45 minutes yesterday, we were trying to raise a point of order. First, just let me finish. First, we stand up at our desk. Then we don't get the point of order. In desperation, as the floor leader, I have to go down to the well. Please, sir, this is our right as every member. A point of order means a point of order. Nobody can take this away. Sir, protect us from this. That's all. Thank you.
When you are raising a point of order, only one person should rise and ask for the point of order. Everybody is shouting what point of order can be taken up. One, yes. Honorable Minister, now we all please by day, Bhusan.
Sir, I agree with what Honorable Member Derek Bryan said. The first point on the decision taken in the Business Advisory Committee, yes, we had taken a decision, and also I had informed in the BSc, sir, chaired by you, that the discussion on the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram will be taken up on Tuesday. It is finalized. And for election reforms, the subject related to that will be taken up right after it is over in Lok Sabha. So I'm just informing it for formality. Secondly, about the matter when the Finance Minister was responding to the subject yesterday, which was under discussion, the honourable member arrived a little late because I was sitting here. When the members from Trinamool Congress Party, All India Trinamool Congress Party, raised certain questions about West Bengal, the Finance Minister was responding to that. In the meantime, Finance Minister also gave assurance that after her speech is over, members can raise the query and she is ready to respond. But in the meantime, the honourable leader of the Trinamool Congress floor leader, he came a little later. And I was there.
You have raised your point.
But
he has raised. But you listen to him then. Yes.
So sir.
No running commentary, please.
We are guided by the rules, procedures, rules of business, and also the ruling, whatever ruling is given by the Honourable Chairman. But I agree with you that when there is a point of order, Chairman normally gives the power. This is members' right. It is members' right. But when Honourable Chairman rightly mentioned, when everybody stands up and make noise, where is the possibility of giving the opportunity as a matter of a point of order?
No. Honourable member, you should not shout like this. I am pointing out to you. What is your name? No, you should not. Every time you are making a running commentary, that is not good. You please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Please, you take
Thank
your
you, sir.
seat.
Sir, Sir, 30 seconds only.
No, you please take,
Sir.
both of you should take your seat. Now,
Sir.
despite clear the
Sir.
categorical rule
Sir,
on the
30
mandate
seconds,
of
sir.
Rule 267, some notices have still been submitted by the members. It was abundantly clarified that the notices not meeting the requirement of the Rule 267 will not be taken into consideration. Now, matters raised with permission. Please wait here. No discussion about 267 anymore. Please. Sri Shakti Singh Gohil. Sri Shakti Singh Gohil. No more. No. Sri Shakti Singh Gohil. Is not there? Yes. You please address.
Sabhapati Mahoday.
No, you address or you are going to address or you are not going to address?